Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, language and input, languages, other language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, maybe Ukrainian. And then to switch language to Ukrainian, you just have to drag it on top, and after that language will be changed to Ukrainian automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to налаштування, then to the Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.